the superintendent of Romulus schools, I'm a big fan. All right. So if you're having trouble at Corey, for example, I don't know what school you're dealing with. I know I'm old. That's where I used to go. We're saying that that's the first elementary. Court appointed attorney, Mr. Dupree. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right, so we got two files. The prosecutor wants me to dismiss one, dismiss 28, Heather. And then on 29, or excuse me, 49, says you're going to take a plea and 8-month delayed sentence, right? All right, did you read your rights form? You understand your rights and the options they give you? All the stuff on the back of this form. The form you signed, it's all that stuff. I call them your TV rights. You understand all those? Okay. And do you understand that this charge carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail? Yes. Understanding the rights you have, the options those rights give you, and the possible penalty, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily today? Yes. All right. So looks like we got more than one kid in the Romulus schools. Let's see, we got Dylan, Peyton, and Roman, right? Yes. Okay. And as of the date of the ticket, which was March 18th, how many days did we miss? Do you know? More than 15? Yes, I'll accept so. All right, I'll accept your plea. So the way this works is, and it's the prosecutor made a bunch of notes. It sounds like things are doing better since then. All that this, one of my plans are medical issues. And classmates and making fun of her. And my son Roman, he's someone's taking his lunch. I called to the school, they don't know what's going on. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's understandable. I would think the same. Yeah. Let me give you some advice. So first, well, before I get to that, the way this works is prosecutor asked me to do this for 8 months. So during that 8 months, you don't commit any new crimes unrelated to this. Right. And the attendance issues what the problem we were having in the March don't continue. As long as those two things happen, then this is dismissed. It doesn't go on your record as a permanent conviction. I came last week to pay $500 bail. Bond? On this file? Yes, I believe so. I don't have an RO that's updated. We're just confirming that.
Yeah, we paid it on May 27th. Other loan fund.
All right, I'm going to return 90% of that bond. We keep a 10% handling fee. Okay. So as long as we don't have further problems with the attendance and you don't go out and rob a bank or something stupid, then at the end of 8 months, this gets dismissed. It does not stay on your record. All right. So let me give you some advice now. The superintendent of Romulus schools, I'm a big fan. All right. So if you're having trouble at Corey, for example, I don't know what school you're dealing with. I know I'm old. That's where I used to go. We're saying that that's the first elementary school I went to. Well, you're right. I am old. Where are you having the trouble at? Romulus Elementary. All right. So if you're having trouble at Romel, you've had meetings with the principal and you don't think you're getting where you need to go with that, then seriously contact the superintendent's office and said, look, I'm having trouble at Romel. I've talked to principal so-and-so. I'm not feeling like the issue's getting resolved. I'd like to talk to the superintendent. I'll be shocked if you don't have a personal meeting with the superintendent. Okay. He's one of those guys that, well, that's an option. Yeah, that's an option. Any questions? Questions? All right, you all set? Have a great day. You're welcome. Just go downstairs. Give them a few minutes. I got to process some checks. Ready already?
He just needs to talk then. It's done in the system.
Give me a name, Jamie.
How do you pronounce that name? Say it again, sir.
Is that with an M?
M-E-A.
That's enough. I can find it. Good morning, Mr. Greco.
Good.
Thank you. Well, we got a lot of MCs today. You notice that?
This one's M. Yeah, I did see that. M-U.
Oh, this is all civil infractions.
Oh, yeah. Those were awesome.
All right, so you're gonna plead responsible to one charge, sir, and two charges will be dismissed, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you've agreed to pay 180 on the A charge? All right, can you do that today?
Yeah.
All right, go downstairs. The cashier will process that payment, probably give you a smile and send you on your way. You're welcome. We're taking the plea on the A ticket, Heather.
What's the name?
Avenue K.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're all set. Go on downstairs. The cashier will call your name.
In today's courtroom session, Judge Oakley handled an important school attendance case involving a parent facing legal consequences over repeated student absences. The defendant, Mr. Depri, appeared before the court after concerns were raised regarding the attendance records of his children, Dylan, Peyton, and Roman, who had accumulated more than 15 absences from Romulus schools. During the hearing, the prosecutor agreed to dismiss one of the files, while Mr. Depri entered a plea on the remaining charge. Explaining the circumstances, he told the court that ongoing medical issues and incidents of bullying had played a major role in the children's attendance struggles. Judge Oakley carefully considered the explanation and accepted the plea, ultimately imposing an 8-month delayed sentence. The judge also offered practical guidance, advising the parent that if problems continued at Ram Elementary School, the matter should be taken beyond the school level and reported directly to the superintendent's office. As the hearing concluded, the court transitioned to the next scheduled matter, with staff preparing the necessary paperwork and proceedings moving forward. The case serves as a reminder that school attendance issues often involve deeper challenges affecting families, and that addressing those concerns early can make a significant difference for both students and parents.